Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you and I hope you all are safe, maybe excited for my class. So I'm here to teach you SST Standard 1 Chapter 12 and the chapter name is Our Classroom. Previous chapter we have learned about the teacher, the class teacher, and in this chapter we will see that our classroom, what the things are there in our classroom. And before starting the chapter, again the request is there. It's a request that please enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the Ludos, Carom, video game. In fact, you can complete your holiday homework. Till if you have not completed, we all know that your holiday homework it will add in your first term exam. Now you are not UKG class, you are in standard 1, so you have to complete your holiday homework. So your holiday homework marks it will add in your first term examination. So that's why it's very important. And what the homework we are receiving on online classes, the website that I will upload on the website, so that you can take that in PDF. It is in PDF, so you can go there and check your homework. And please you can complete it in your fair copy. It should be in good handwriting, legible handwriting. And I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. And whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly with the soap, with the Dettol and with sanitizer. After that, you can take your meal. And please just be safe at home, because we know that we are in very pandemic situations like COVID-19. Nowadays it's increasing, it's not decreasing, and I think the doctors are there, they are just giving their hard work, so that for that we can just be at home and we can enjoy the life with the family members. You can enjoy your online classes also. Once the online class will over, you can read your book also, you can complete your holiday homework also, your work homework also. And if you not purchased your book, then please purchase it as soon as possible, because before the vacation I just used to teach you SST through Y-Links, but after the vacation I just go to teach you SST, the video also and the Y-Link also both, so that what the problem is there, that you will not face any problem. And I'm just going to read the books. You have the book, then please read with me. So the chapter is Our Classroom. Do you know what a classroom is? Question is there that do you know what a class is? Which class do you study in? We study in classrooms in our school. So question is there that do you know what a classroom is? Which class do you study in? Then we study in classrooms in our schools. Yes, exactly. In our schools we have a different types of rooms for different classes. For standard 1 we have a standard 1 classrooms. For standard 2 we have a standard 2 classrooms. For the juniors we have the different sections are there. For computer we have different sections, different rooms are there. So that's why that we study in the classrooms in our school. A classroom has blackboard on which, now before starting these all topic, the chapters, just take a short look on this picture, a classroom. See, this picture is there, classrooms and different things are there which is indicated in this picture. So just go to the picture. So first is, you can see the chart is there in your classroom. The chart is hanged on the wall. So next, window is there. So in one classroom we have the chart paper is important, chart. Window is important where we can get the fresh air. Door is also there that we can go outside and we can come inside. Teacher's cupboard is there, so that the teachers thinks if anything like books, teacher's book is there, teacher's bag is there, so they can put in their cupboard. Dustbin is there. Yes, why dustbin is there? So that it is always in the corner side of the school. So if any waste paper is there, any peel or pencil savings is there, so that we can throw it in the dustbin. Next, chairs for students. Yes, if the students they come, where they will sit? Then they will sit in the chair. They will sit in the chair. They will sit on chair. Next, Blackboard is there. Yes, blackboard is there. It is on the front of black or whiteboard is there, so that the teacher will teach us and they can write whatever they want to. Is they can give the answer, question answer. They can explain the chapter also. Teacher's table. Teacher's table is also there. For that the teacher will sit and then they will talk to students. They can interact with student. Desk for students. So desk is also available for that, so that the students will write. They will put the book on the desk and they can write the whatever they are just the teacher has said to write. So these all is very important in one classroom. Now just go to the chapter. A classroom has a blackboard. So yes, in every class we can see in our school also that in every classes we have a whiteboard and we are using the marker. But in some different schools they using the blackboard also, and they use the white chalk on which the teacher writes with a chalk. So if any classroom's blackboard is there, then there the teacher used to write the chalk. If they want to explain any chapter, if they want to give the question answer, whatever is there, they just used to write down on the blackboard, so that student they can copy it in their copy without any mistake and in good handwriting. So that's why the blackboard is very important, so that it helps the teacher also and it helps the student also. The teacher is in the classroom, teaches the children. Why the teacher is there in the classroom? Why the teacher is important in the classroom? Then teacher is what? Teacher can teach in the classroom. The teacher in the classroom, they can teach the students, that they can teach the disciplines, that how we can be talk with the fathers and with the other peoples. They can give the good habit, they can teach good habits. They can say that we have to talk politely, don't be rude with others peoples. Then they can teach us a good manners. Whenever we will wake up, then we have to wish them. We have to respect our parents. Teachers is there. Teacher is just like a God, and he teaches us in a right. He just gives us right things, or teaches us right things, and for that we can be in future. It is just helpful for us. So a teacher faces the children while teaching. Yes, suppose like right now I'm just teaching you, so I'm facing you. Suppose in school also, if I'm teaching, then I'm standing in front of the student and then I'm just holding the book and then I'm explaining the chapter. So teacher is what? Teacher the faces, they can face the children and they can teach. While they are teaching, the teacher while they are teaching, they just used to face the children and then they can express the chapters in expressions, or they can write on the board, and then with the help of picture they can explain. He or she usually has a big table and a chair to sit on. So if teachers are there, then they have if he or she, female or male, then they have a big chairs because they are teachers. So they have big table and big chairs so that they can sit on. They can sit and they can look at the students and they can explain the chapter and they can teach the good manners. Next is what? For next that we will see in the next videos, lecture number 2. So please guys watch the lecture number 2 for the more information. Till that, thank you and have a nice day, and please stay at home. Don't go outside, and whatever the homework I am giving after finishing the chapter, it's a very short chapter. See, it's standard one, it's very short chapter. In one day I am finishing the chapter because no more things is there to explain. It's very easiest chapter, so I am explaining, and the homework I will upload, so please guys go on the website and you can check your homework. Till that, thank you and have a nice day, and for more information of this chapter, please watch the lecture number 2. Thank you.